Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's JD here, and as you can see, my hair is looking dry, crusty, and brittle, but we are going to combat that. We are using African Pride today, which is one of my favorite lines, my go-to lines when it comes to moisture. And believe them when they say moisture miracle. And I'm also trying something new within the collection. This is the flaxseed oil and shea butter curl defining gel and cream. But first, we're gonna go ahead and cleanse this hair. As mentioned earlier, my hair is looking dry, crusty, and brittle, but we are going to fix that. So I'm gonna dive right into the honey and coconut oil Nourish and Shine shampoo. So everybody dreads wash day, but I try to make mine as fun as possible. I love the fact that this shampoo is color safe, and not only does it cleanse as it should, but it also hydrates your natural coils and curls. For me, it's not a wash day unless I am deep conditioning or applying some type of mask. This is the Moroccan clay and shea butter detox and soften heat activated mask. So I'm just going to distribute this throughout my entire head, really work it through from root to tip, and then go ahead and section it off. And I'm going to also do a hot oil treatment. So I call this the dynamic duo. I always do a deep condition first or a mask first, and then apply an oil on top for a hot oil treatment. So I'm just taking the 5 essentials oil, and I am going to apply this in a separate bottle, heat it up, and apply it from root to tip. Again, the 5 essential oils are castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oil. And I love that it has castor oil because I am really working on my thinning edges, and that promotes healthy hair growth. And the olive oil seals in moisture and helps prevent breakage, which is what I need. After applying the oil and the mask, I'm going to sit under this dryer for about 15 minutes. From there, we are moving on to the coconut, milk and honey, hydrate and shine leave-in conditioner. Shake it up, spray it on your wet hair, and use the praying method to really work it in. Not only does this leave-in conditioner naturally soften and detangle, retains moisture and adds shine, but it is also great for a curl refresher, which is what I love to use it for as well. Now, the moment we've been waiting for. This is the flaxseed oil and shea butter curl defining gel and cream 3-in-1 curl training system. So it's not tacky or sticky or anything like that. It feels exactly like a cream, and I must admit I was worried about that at first because I'm used to like gels, like gels that do not have creams, but it did the job. And I must say, like it recommends to do this on wet hair. For my hair, usually when I'm doing wash and goes, I have to apply more water and also more product, which I don't mind because who really uses a dime size amount, right? So this gel and cream has flaxseed oil, which provides natural hold and restores shine, shea butter, which everybody loves some good old shea butter, deeply moisturizes, helps strengthen and protect your hair. So I'm going to keep working the product through using my detangling brush and also the praying method to help define these curls. And then toward the front, I'm going to do some finger coils. So if you're wondering what this product smells like, it smells exactly like their curling cream, which also has shea butter and flaxseed oil in it as well. And oh my goodness, if you have not tried that curling cream yet, make sure you try that as well. So I'm gonna move on and keep talking about this gel and cream. If you get a little heavy-handed with the product like I do, just distribute some of the product that you had left over on a section and just put it into another section. Before we move on to the opposite side, as you can see, my hair is elongated, and I'm just going to wrap up this last section. Once I am done smoothing the product on and running my detangling brush through my hair, I leave it alone. I'll scrunch it one more time, and then I leave my hair alone so all the curls can stay in place. Now you can let it air dry, or you can sit under a hooded dryer. I decided to let mine air dry, and I don't know about you guys, I get my best wash and go results when I let my hair air dry. Now you may or may not need to do this, but I slept on my hair, I let it air dry, so I'm going to wake up my curls by using the leave-in conditioner and then applying the 5 essential oils. And I must say this gel and cream did very well for a medium weightless hold. My hair is defined. I'm going to now grab a pick and I'm going to pick through it, not too much because I don't want to lose too much definition. And then I'm going to section a little bit of the hair off toward the front so we can begin our styling. So I'm going to go into the Moisture and Define Curling Cream, place this throughout my entire head to lock in that moisture. And if you're having thinner edges like me, make sure that you add a little bit of that toward your edges to make sure they stay moisturized as well, and be very gentle when it comes to using brushes and things like that. Once I am done, I'm going to add my elastic band to put this hair into a puff. Make sure that you are not doing it too tight. You don't want too much tension on your hair, as this can cause breakage. As this may seem tight, it really is not. You want to make sure you do it to your level of comfort. And then I'm just going to add some bobby pins to keep this elastic band in place, and then flip out this puff a little bit more. So I am not a fan of hair touching my face, so I am going to do a pompadour. This is my first time doing this with a puff to add some type of edgy, elegant style. And so I'm going to roll it up and then place some bobby pins to keep it in place. Now it is up to you if you want your pompadour lower or higher. I wouldn't mind higher, so it would be off of my forehead. From there, I am going to go ahead and get dressed, grab my favorite red lippy, my gold earrings, and voila, this is the finished look, and I am loving my results. Let me know in the comments below, are you feeling this style? And be sure to check out African Pride, available at Dollar General. And until next time, queens, I hope you get the same results or even better.